filming this. How awful. Haven't hit the pool yet. Here it comes. It wasn't like a massive tidal wave, it's more like a series of waves.
The chair's floating away from there.
You can see.
Look at that big thing.
I was just about to go out there, you know. Oh, here we go, hit the
And all the
pool.
mud.
Oh, look at that lovely pool being destroyed. It's coming around this side, look. Oh. Oh, here it comes, it's going to hit this bit here. Oh my god. There could be more of these, you know, worse ones.
Little shops on the beach, they would have had it.
They'd have had it, yeah.
It's still coming in.
Still coming in. Huge wave.
Look at it. We'll go to the restaurant next.
It's worse than the last one. This is a complete freak because they normally have sea defences, wouldn't they? Against them? It's big now. It's really big wave. It's going to go inside the hotel. Oh, what about the dining hall, Barbara? Look, it's set at a lower level.
It's got the windows there.
Oh, look at all that pollution. Dead dogs and everything. Well, it's obviously never happened before, otherwise they'd have a sea defence, wouldn't they? In front of the hotel, like some wall or something. Has it got inside the hotel? Look, it's got up to the glass there. So the restaurant's at a slightly lower level. Captain's table. Is it going out again now? That's it, isn't it? Luckily, it's going back. Look at it, it's huge. Look at it coming. It's luckily it's. Of course it will come through. Yeah, but it's a lot of the power's gone. It's going. Here it comes.
Get out of the way!
Oh, not yet.
Another one. There's an even bigger one out there. Oh shit.
My God. Whoa. That's bad.
That is very bad. Down floor rooms have got it. Oh my, it's going right in the hotel. It's all the water system. It's going in the canteen restaurant.
Oh shit. Oh.
Glass is gone. Are they okay down there?
How can you get to them?
Well, you can't do anything.
Well, shouldn't get up there.
There's more coming, there's more. What's broken? The what? Shit, they've gone in. I hope they can swim. What?
Look.
Yeah, we've got.
There's people in.
Oh god. I hope they can swim.
Shit. Oh.
No, shove yourself to get in.
What?
It should be life things. Look, that guy there. It's okay.
They can all swim, I hope.
Double check that guy there.
Where?
Guy's swimming.
He can swim.
He's swimming with the current though. So what about when he goes out?
Oh, the glass is sticking there now, isn't it?
It's glass in it.
Oh, those two are okay, thank God. There's one up a tree though.
Is anyone stuck in the water?
Well, I hope they can all swim. I hope that's the last one. I think that's the last one.
Get your camera away, it's a bit bad.
Oh.
Well, I hope they got out the dining room.
All the glass is smashed. It's going out. Don't let, let that guy get washed out. This guy there. The guy down there.
He's alright. He's got his head above water. If he grabs a
Get
tree.
the guy!
Down there. He's alright.
Down there!
There's a tree coming. If he gets that tree. There's loads of trees on the way out. He's bound to grab one of them. It's okay. He's holding on to them. Oh, he's got trapped on the tree. Look, he's alright. He's got the tree, thank God.
There's one down there.
What's it going on?
There's no more where it's going to get. What's that floating out?
It's a rescue boat. Speedboat. They're trying to pick people up who've been washed out to sea. There must be loads.
Yeah. What about all the people on the beach? Like all the
I was just going out on the beach just then to go and have a look at the Devastates.
There's a ring there.
Where?
There.
The safety ring.
Get that guy to get
He should stay. He should stay there actually, where he is now, because if there's another one coming.
I think we should get see if anybody needs any help.
Well, what can you do? You only get into trouble yourself. I think we should all help clear up.
There's chairs just getting washed out.
Nick, you left the door open now.
The lights have gone, by the way, and the water's gone.
Keep that door shut, because we've got to keep that cool in there, because there won't be any air conditioning. There won't be anything. It'll take days to sort this out.
Yeah.
What?
There's people down there.
Where? Is there another one coming? That's the question.